Before. So, do you remember the word now? Before the history. So, before the history was written, that is prehistoric time. Okay. How about this time? Is this prehistoric time, or what time were you born? Prehistoric or not prehistoric? Not. Okay, because you're young. Okay. Next, what is the word primitive? Primitive. Primitive humans. What is the root word? What is the main word? Root word. Root word. Prime. Do you know prime? Primary. Primary. Prime. Before. Early. Okay? Prime. First or early. First. So primitive humans, it means early human beings. Early people. That's our topic last night. Yes, early people. Next, Stone Age. Kate. What do you remember about Stone Age? The Stone Age. When the people were using stone and they were hunter-gatherer. Yes. It's easy to remember. Stone Age, people were using stone. Iron Age, people were using iron. Ice Age, and there were ice and glaciers. Right? Okay, that's it. And how about Bronze Age? What happened during the Bronze Age? Forgot? Okay, like copper and what else? Soft metals, such as copper and tin. Alright, so I think you are ready now to listen to the story. I will read it once and then you don't write anything, and then the next time that I would read it, you are going to write the blank words. Okay? You supply the missing words in the passage. Okay, I will read it first. Okay? A couple of million years ago, primitive humans were nothing like the modern humans of today. They were simplistic creatures that shared characteristics with both humans and